Welcome. This lesson explains how to safely and legally dispose of old lights and ballasts during maintenance or upgrades. It's essential because many components, like fluorescent and HID lamps, contain hazardous substances such as mercury and PCBs, which are harmful to people and the environment if not handled correctly. When we replace lamps or ballasts, they become waste. The US EPA classifies many of these items as universal waste under federal rules 40 CFR 273. That includes fluorescent tubes, HID lamps, and mercury-containing equipment. Disposing of them properly helps prevent toxic releases, reduces paperwork and fines, and promotes recycling over landfill waste. Here are some of the lamp disposal procedures. Collect used lamps in dedicated boxes or cartons, clearly labeled Universal Waste, lamps. Avoid lamp breakage. If a lamp breaks, clean up immediately and place the fragments in a sealed plastic-lined container, never metal. Label and log storage containers with dates and keep them closed. You can store them on site for up to a year. Send to an approved recycler or universal waste handler. They will issue a certificate of destruction, your proof everything was handled safely. Some states, like California, Minnesota, Vermont, ban mercury lamped material in landfills, even if federal law allows landfill disposal for intact lamps. So always check your local codes before disposal. Older ballasts labeled without no PCB likely contain PCBs, a toxic chemical banned in 1979. These must be treated as hazardous waste and incinerated or handled by licensed experts. Modern ballasts use DEHP instead of PCBs. They are less toxic but may still be regulated, so check your local hazardous waste rules before disposal. Be aware that during maintenance you might encounter asbestos or lead-containing materials in fixtures or wiring, especially in older buildings. These require special handling under OSHA and EPA rules, with containment, protective gear, and certified abatement procedures. If suspected, pause work immediately and call the experts. Let's talk about why this matters. First off, it's environmental safety. Keep mercury and PCBs out of soil, water, and air. Regulatory compliance. Follow federal and state laws. Universal waste rules are simpler than hazardous waste rules. Liability protection. Proper collecting, labeling, and documentation reduces legal risks. And customer assurance. Certificates show how work was responsibly handled, a key professional standard. Here are some quick tips. Use proper containers and clear labeling. Clean up broken lamps right away in sealed containers. Log dates and maintain for up to 1 year site storage. Send items to certified universal waste handlers and get your certificate. Check your local and state regulations. Some states enforce stricter rules. Treat older ballasts with PCBs as hazardous. Handle modern ones per local rules. Recognize and pause for asbestos or lead hazards. Engage certified abatement professionals. Following these steps ensures your lighting maintenance is safe, legal, and responsible. Everyone in the field, from apprentices to supervisors, should be trained in these disposal guidelines to protect people and the planet. Thanks for listening, and let's light the way responsibly.